Welcome to our economic class. We will be looking at the concept of demand, change of demand and change in quantity demanded. What do we mean when we say demand for a product, for example, a dress?
I think it means our desire to buy the dress.
You are right, Jasmine. In economic terms, demand for a product means our ability to buy a product at a certain price.
Julie, what then determine the demand?
Good question. Demand is usually determined by price. Look at this graph. It shows a typical demand curve. When the price is at $4, the demand is at 20 units. But when the price drops to $2, the demand is at 40 units. We therefore say that demand and price are inversely or negatively related. The change in price results to changes shown on the same demand curve. We call this movement a change in quantity demanded. This graph shows a change in demand. Contrast to the previous graph, there is now a shift in the demand curve. When there is a rightward shift of the curve, will there be an increase or decrease in demand?
Rightward shift shows an increase in demand.
Right. A rightward shift from DO to D2 shows an increase in demand. On the other hand, a leftward shift of the demand curve as shown by shift from DO to D1 shows a decrease in demand. Those are two important concepts and must be differentiated.
What then determines change in demand?
Change in demand usually happens when there is a change in consumer taste, change in household income, change in consumers' prediction of the future of a product and so on. In short, change in demand is affected by all other non-price related factors. Let's review what we have learned today.
We have learned the concept of demand and change in demand.
We have also learned the concept of change in quantity demanded.
Well done. Look at these concepts again. You will now discuss in group the three concepts, giving real-life examples for each one. Good job. You may now celebrate your learning.
Hooray! I got it.
I got it too.